Discover the ultimate power of military technology in this sneak peek video. Witness cutting-edge equipment, precision-guided weapons, and futuristic laser systems that have revolutionized warfare. From motorized floating bridges to drone swarms, explore the latest developments that keep soldiers and civilians safe. Join us on a journey into a world of groundbreaking innovation and get ready to be amazed. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. 1. Advanced Accuracy Solutions Reaper Weapon Support System. The Advanced Accuracy Solutions Reaper Weapon Support System is a lightweight, portable technology that provides military snipers with unparalleled accuracy and precision. Combining a laser rangefinder, ballistics calculator, and thermal imaging camera, the Reaper system allows snipers to calculate bullet trajectory and adjust for environmental factors such as wind and temperature. It can be mounted onto a variety of different rifles, giving snipers the ability to customize their weapon to suit their needs. Overall, the Reaper system is a game changer for military snipers, providing them with the tools they need to achieve unparalleled accuracy and precision in their missions. 2. Panflöten Motoris Vertical Bar Motorized Floating Bridge PFM. The Panflöten Motoris PFM or Motorized Floating Bridge is an innovative military technology that provides a mobile and adaptable solution for military operations that require river crossings. The PFM is designed to quickly and easily deploy a bridge that can support the movement of troops, equipment, and vehicles across waterways. The PFM features a modular design, allowing it to be adapted to various waterway widths and depths. It is constructed using lightweight materials that are easy to transport and assemble, making it ideal for rapid deployment to remote or difficult-to-reach location. The motorized propulsion system of the PFM allows for controlled movement and precise positioning, ensuring the safe and efficient crossing of troops and equipment. The bridge is also able to withstand significant weight and pressure, making it suitable for use in a range of military scenarios. 3. Drone Gun Tactical. A drone gun tactical, also known as a drone jammer or drone disruptor, is a type of device designed to disable or neutralize unauthorized drones. These devices typically work by emitting radio frequencies or other signals that interfere with the drone's communication and control systems, causing the drone to lose its ability to fly or navigate properly. Drone gun tactical devices have become increasingly important in recent years as the use of drones has grown more widespread. Drones can be used for a variety of purposes, both legal and illegal, and in some cases, they can pose a security threat if used by unauthorized individuals or groups. A drone gun tactical can be used in a variety of scenarios, such as protecting critical infrastructure, preventing unauthorized surveillance, and ensuring public safety during events or gatherings. These devices are often used by law enforcement agencies, security companies, and military personnel to counter the threat of rogue or malicious drones. 4. Baobab-K Mine-Laying System. The Baobab-K Mine-Laying System is a military equipment system designed to provide rapid and effective mine-laying capabilities. The system is named after the baobab tree, a symbol of strength and resilience in African culture. The Baobab-K Mine-Laying System consists of a containerized mine-laying system that can be rapidly deployed and activated by military personnel. The system is designed to lay mines in a precise and controlled manner, allowing military forces to create defensive barriers and deny access to certain areas. The Baobab-K system is highly versatile and can be used in a variety of different scenarios, including defensive operations, border security, and counterterrorism operations. It is capable of laying a variety of different types of mines, including anti-personnel and anti-tank mines, and can be used in both urban and rural environments. 5. Smash Hopper P. Smash Hopper P is a type of smart weapon system developed by Israel's Smart Shooter Limited. The system is designed to provide military and law enforcement personnel with an advanced targeting capability. allowing them to engage targets with greater accuracy and precision. The Smash Hopper P system consists of a compact targeting device that can be attached to a wide range of different firearms. The device uses advanced electro-optical sensors and a unique targeting algorithm to automatically track moving targets and adjust for environmental factors such as wind and terrain. In addition to its targeting capabilities, the Smash Hopper P system also includes a Shoot on Themo feature, which allows users to engage targets while on the move or from a moving platform. The system is also designed to be highly intuitive and easy to use, with a simple user interface and minimal training requirements. 6. LAWS Laser Weapons System. LAWS stands for Laser Weapons System and refers to a type of directed energy weapon developed by the United States Navy. The system uses a high-energy laser to disable or destroy targets, including drones, boats, and other small targets. The LAWS system works by focusing a beam of energy onto the target, which heats up and eventually causes damage or destruction. The system is highly accurate and can be used to engage targets at ranges of up to several miles. Depending on the specific variant of the weapon, the LAWS system is effective against small, fast-moving targets like drones and is relatively low cost with minimal logistical support needed. It has been deployed on several U.S. Navy vessels and used successfully in different scenarios, but it also generated controversy due to concerns about unintended damage or civilian casualties and the risk of escalation in conflict situations. 7. Caliber M4 Robot. The Caliber MK4 robot is a remotely operated unmanned ground vehicle UGV developed by the Canadian company Caliber Robotics. It is designed for a wide range of military and law enforcement applications, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and explosive ordnance disposal (EOD). The Caliber MK4 robot is a highly mobile UGV that can operate in various environments, climb stairs, navigate narrow corridors, and traverse rough terrain with ease. It's versatile and can be customized with different payloads, including cameras, sensors, and manipulator arms for EOD operations. It's remotely controlled with a ruggedized handheld controller and can transmit real-time video and audio feeds. 8. THeMIS Unmanned Ground Vehicle UGV. The THeMIS UGV is a military-grade robot developed by Miltary Robotics for various military applications, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and ground troop support. It's versatile, customizable, and can be fitted with various payloads to operate in challenging environments. It's modular and can be configured as a scout, logistics vehicle, or weapon platform. It's controlled remotely by an operator using a ruggedized control unit or can operate autonomously with advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance systems. 9. MV3 Testudo. The MV3 Testudo is a South Korean armored personnel carrier designed to transport military personnel and equipment in various environments. Its heavily armored hull protects against small arms fire, mines, and IEDs, while advanced systems like a fire suppression system and automatic grenade launcher enhance its capabilities. The vehicle is powered by a diesel engine, has a top speed of 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, and can carry up to 11 personnel. It is adaptable to different environments, including urban areas and off-road terrain. 10. RAID Rapid Deployment System. The RAID or Rapid Deployment System is a cutting-edge technology that provides a highly efficient and mobile solution for military operations. Its modular components, including shelter systems, power generation units, and environmental control systems, can be rapidly deployed in remote or challenging environments. The RAID system is highly adaptable and customizable, easy to transport and assemble, and features advanced technology for safe and efficient operation in harsh environments. 11. Camaro Xaver LR80. The Camaro Xaver LR80 is a cutting-edge technology that provides military and law enforcement with an efficient solution for detecting people and objects behind walls and obstructions. Its advanced radar technology creates 3D images of the environment, detecting people and objects even in complex and challenging environments. The LR80 is lightweight and portable, making it easy to use in the field, and has a simple and intuitive interface requiring minimal training. It's an ideal tool for military and law enforcement personnel who need to quickly and accurately assess potential threats. 12. Linko Bearcat G2. The Linko Bearcat G2 is a highly customizable, specialized armored vehicle for military and law enforcement. It's built with high-strength materials and features a reinforced body that protects against ballistic threats and blasts. The Bearcat G2 is tailored to specific missions with customizable door configurations, weapon mounts, and other features. Safety features include emergency lights and sirens, thermal imaging cameras, and hydraulic rams for breaching doors and obstacles. The Bearcat G2 is an ideal tool for highly mobile and protected military and law enforcement operations. 13. The Kalashnikov Shield Monstrous Anti-Riot Truck. The Kalashnikov Shield is a robust anti-riot truck built with high-strength materials and an armored body that provides protection against a range of threats. It features non-lethal crowd control technologies, including water cannons, smoke grenades, and rubber bullet launchers, and can be fitted with tear gas launchers and other non-lethal weapons. The shield is controlled remotely and can transport personnel and equipment in hazardous environments, making it an effective tool for dealing with riots, dangerous situations, and disaster areas. 14. Barracuda Low RCS Interceptor. The Barracuda Low RCS Interceptor uses advanced radar and sensor technology to detect and intercept low radar cross-section RCS targets, such as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). Equipped with countermeasures like jamming and electronic warfare systems, it can neutralize a target's communication and navigation systems, forcing it to land or return to its operator. The interceptor is highly adaptable and can integrate with other systems like ground-based air defense and command and control centers, making it an effective tool for modern military and law enforcement operations. If you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos.